Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
You should check for spelling errors in your email before you send it. To spell check a message prior to sending it, click into the message text area that you want to spell check. If you're using Outlook 2013 through 2010, then click the Spelling and Grammar button that appears within the Proofing button group on the Review tab within the ribbon of the message window. If using Outlook 2007, click the Spelling button in the Proofing button group on the Message tab in the ribbon of the message window. This will begin the spell checker for the body of the message. The spell checker will work from the top of the message to the bottom, stopping at words that it thinks are misspelled. When this occurs, the spelling dialog box will appear, giving you options to fix or ignore the words that it thinks are misspelled. The misspelled words will appear in the top of the dialog box. The suggested spelling replacements will appear in the suggestions list at the bottom of the dialog box. If the word is truly misspelled, you can select the correct spelling from the suggestions list or type a manual correction directly into the upper text box if needed. You can do that if the correct spelling does not appear within the suggestions list. After making a correction or selecting a choice from the suggestions list, you must then click one of the buttons to the right of the suggestions list. Clicking the Ignore Once button ignores the word shown in the upper text box. Clicking the Ignore All button will ignore all instances of the word as it appears in the upper text box. Clicking the Change button will change the misspelled word. Clicking the Change All button will change all instances of the misspelled word. Clicking the Add to Dictionary button will add the word that appears in the upper text box to the internal dictionary so that it won't appear as a misspelling again in the future. When you have finished checking the message, a pop-up window will appear informing you that the spell checker has finished checking your document. Click OK at this point to return to your message window.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.